So step one on how to get a really simple and free song command for your stream is to go to this website right here. It's called the Pizza Powered Song Bot, which I'll leave a link to in the description. Now, it's a really simple site, so all you need to do is click start, and it's going to come up with an authorization request for use with Spotify. Of course, you want to click agree on that. And then once you've clicked agree, it'll take you to this page right here, which is your own custom command, your own custom code. And it's going to have it for different bots that you might use on your streams. Now, of course, mine are going to be all blurred out because they're mine, but yours will not be. So make sure to select the bot that you like to use, whether it's Nightbot, Streamlabs, MooBot, Stream Elements, any of those sort of things, and make sure to copy it over. So I'm going to use Nightbot here in this tutorial. We're going to copy that over, and then we're going to go to commands on your Nightbot, Stream Elements, your Streamlabs, whatever you want to use. Of course, create a new command, put it as !song, put the response as the link that you've just copied, and click create. So now if you go to your Twitch to test this command, make sure to type in !song or whatever command you decided to go for, and the bot, whatever you chose, will come back with the name of the song, the artist, and even a link so that your viewers can check it out themselves. This works an unlimited amount of times and is completely free.